Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I hope you all are very well. Students, in our previous lectures, we discussed that cells, tissues, and organs, they coordinate with each other. And this coordination is done by nervous system. And students, in our previous lecture, we discussed in very much detail that what is this nervous system in which different neurons are involved. Sometimes students, what happens that neurons, they do not innervate in the cell, they cannot supply inside a cell. So what do you think about such cells? Don't they coordinate with each other? Is there any coordination present in such a cell in which there is no supply of neurons? Students, today in this lecture, I am just going to tell you about no. Another system is present which is called as endocrine system. This endocrine system consists of endocrine glands, and these endocrine glands are responsible for the secretion of certain chemicals which are called as hormones. Students, today we will discuss that what is this hormone and what is the chemical composition of this hormone. First of all, students, look at here that what is hormone. As I told you, hormone which is secreted from the endocrine gland, which is the part of the endocrine system, actually is a chemical messenger, is actually an organic substance which acts as a chemical messenger. And where it is produced, as you know students, hormones are produced inside a gland. Inside a gland, hormone is produced. Look at here, that here we are showing it with the help of a secreting cell. Secreting cell means cell which is a part of a gland, and green color here is showing that these are the hormones which are secreted by this secreting cell which is the part of a gland. Now students, look at here, this hormone enters into the bloodstream. After secreting from the secreting cell, after releasing from the secreting cell, what will happen with the hormones? They will enter into the bloodstream, and from blood, look at here, these hormones are passing through the blood, and from passing through different cells, tissues, and organs, they will definitely reach to their target cell. Here you can see, for example, if we say that this cell A actually is a target cell for this hormone. So what will happen? The hormone enters into the target cell. Understand? So what are hormone? Hormone is an organic substance which acts as a chemical messenger, which is secreted by the gland, enters into the bloodstream, and from blood it goes and enters into its target cell. There it performs its function. And what are the functions of hormone? Inshallah, we will discuss it in very much detail in our next few lectures. Okay, students, our next topic is chemical nature of hormones. Hormones are made up of peptide chain. Students, you know that what is a peptide chain? Peptide chain actually is a short chain of amino acid. When many chains of amino acid they combine together, they are there to form polypeptide chain. So here we are talking about peptide hormone is a short chain, which is a short chain of amino acid. Amino acids are linked with each other. Look at here, there are different amino acids which are linked with each other with the help of a bond which is called as a peptide bond. And this short chain of amino acid is called as a peptide chain. The different examples of peptide hormones are oxytocin, which helps in labor pain, calcitonin, and parathormone. Students, in our next lecture, inshallah, we will discuss the details of all such hormones. The next one is a protein hormone. Students, you know that many amino acids, when they combine together with the help of a peptide bond, they are there to make up one molecule of protein. Look at here, long chains. Here we are using the word of a long chains of amino acid, which are linked amino acids, right? And you can give the example of human growth hormone, insulin. These are the examples of a protein hormone. Students, next one is amine hormone. Amine, these are the derivatives of amino acid. Amino acids with modified groups means derivative of an amino acid. Examples are norepinephrine. The next one is steroid hormones or the lipid hormones. These are derived from the lipid cholesterol. These are the another class of the hormones. Students, the examples of steroid hormones are testosterone, aldosterone, progesterone, and estrogen. Students, in this lecture, we discussed something about that what is hormone and what is the chemical nature of hormone. We discussed about the biochemistry of hormone. Students, in our next lecture, we will discuss that what is about the mode of action of hormones. Thank you, students.